Welcome, in front of me is a GIGASET GS190, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from one location to another. So in this case from the phone to an SD card or vice versa. So to get started, you want to open up Files application, which should be somewhere here. There we go. As you can see, right over here. Once you open it up, let's continue and scroll down where you'll find your internal and your SD card storage. So I'm going to start off with the phone storage right here. And as you can see, there's a bunch of folders, but to be honest, there's only like 2 or 3 folders that are worth mentioning, which that would be DCIM folder, which contains pictures, videos captured with the device. And then we have downloads folder, which will contain anything that you have downloaded on the device. And below that we should have pictures folder, which contains screenshots. And I can see that I have one screenshot in here. And SD card will have basically the same kind of folders in there. So once you find your file, which I'm going to be using just a screenshot, you want to select it, and you do so by simply holding the file. As you can see, it becomes selected with the check mark. Now if you had more files, you could just select more of them by simply tapping on them. And once you have selected everything that you want, click on the 3 dots and choose to either move it or copy it. I'm gonna go with move option right here, and once you select one of the 2 options, this will pop up right here. So you can choose if you want to move it somewhere else on the phone storage or move it to a completely different storage like SD card, which is what I'm gonna select, SD card. And it looks like there's actually not a lot of folders in here. So I can drop it anywhere in the storage right here. I can create a new folder if I wanted to. But honestly, I'm not going to be bothering with it, so I'm just going to click move here, and that's going to drop it straight to the SD card. So now if I go back to SD, you should see it right here, and there it is. And that is how you move any kind of file from one location to another. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.